Okay, hi first graders. Today we're going to do our three-part drill. Let's practice our sounds with NG. Ready? Ing, ung, ang, ong. Let's practice the ones with NK. Onk, ank, ink, unk. We're also going to practice our sounds of ED today. Remember, ED has three sounds. It can say D, it can say T, and it can say id. Okay, so let's get out our whiteboards and our markers, or paper and pencil, whatever you have today. Okay, I'm going to say a sound, and we're going to write it on our whiteboard. Ready? Ing. I-N-G says ing. The next one is ank. A-N-K says ank. The next one is id. E-D makes the id sound, like in the word landed. Id. The next one is ink. I-N-K says ink, like in the word pink. The next one has two ways to do it. The sound is t. We know T says t, but ed also says t. So these are two ways to do that. This would be like in the word looked. Okay, the next one, ong. O-N-G says ong. And the last one for today has two spellings. The sound is d. We know D says d, but we also know ED says d when it's at the end of a word like this. It can say one of its sounds is d. D says d, ED says d. Let's practice some blending now. We'll say the sounds together and then blend the word together to read. Ready? Ing, string. What's the word? String. Unk, clunk. What's the word? Clunk. Ink, blink. What's the word? Blink. Ank, plank. What's the word? Plank. Ong, prong. What's the word? Prong. Ang, clang. What's the word? Clang. Flung. What's the word? Flung. Now we're going to practice some of our ED words. So for example, if I have the word last, last. This is my base word. If I want to make this word say lasted, I'm going to add an ED to it. Now I have the word lasted. What's the word? Lasted. Here we see the ED make the id sound. The next word I'm going to do is spell. S-p-e-l. We need a double L because there's a short E here. Spell. This is my base word. I'm going to make the word say spelled. So I'm going to add ed, says d, spelled. What's the word? Spelled. If I take this off and put a y, now we have the word yelled. Now I'm going to do the word rush. Rush. I want to make the word say rushed. I'm not going to add a t, that would not be right. I'm going to add an ed, says t, to make it say rushed. This is my base word, rush. The ed in this word says t, rushed. Now, what if I add a k to the beginning? Now I have the word crushed.